To all English learners and fairy tale lovers, The Emperor's New Clothes. Originally written by Hans Christian Andersen, retold in simple English just for you. Once upon a time, there was a very proud emperor. He loved new clothes more than anything else. Every day he changed into a new outfit.
Look at this silk robe. Isn't it perfect for a sunny day?
Magnificent, Your Majesty. The sun itself will be jealous.
And now, my golden tunic with ruby buttons.
Shiny and powerful, just like you, Your Majesty.
Maybe I should try the blue one next?
Excellent choice. Blue is the color of wisdom.
I must say, I do look fabulous in every color.
He smiled at his reflection and changed again. The royal wardrobe was always busy. One day, two men came to the palace. They said,
"We are the best tailors in the world.
We can make magical clothes. Only smart people can see them. Foolish people will see nothing."
The emperor thought,
I must have those clothes. Then I will know who is wise and who is not.
Then he said,
Wonderful! Make me a suit at once.
Of course, Your Majesty.
Bring us the finest gold and silk."
The men pretended to make the clothes. They asked for gold and silk, but they made nothing. They sat at empty looms and worked all day. The emperor sent his minister to check.
I see nothing. Am I foolish?
The minister saw nothing, but he was scared to tell the truth. He said,
Oh, yes. So lovely. So fine.
The emperor went to see the clothes himself. He saw nothing too, but he thought,
I cannot look foolish.
So he said,
Beautiful. I must wear them.
The men dressed the emperor. He had no clothes on, but everyone clapped. They were all afraid to speak the truth.
I feel wonderful.
The emperor decided to have a big parade to show off his new clothes. He walked through the town. People cheered and smiled. No one wanted to seem foolish. Then a little child shouted,
"But the emperor is wearing nothing."
The crowd fell silent. Then more people laughed.
Yes, he has no clothes.
It's true. He has no clothes.
We were all pretending.
The emperor turned red. He was embarrassed, but he didn't stop.
Oh dear, but I must stay proud.
He held his head high and kept walking. The crowd laughed and whispered. Children giggled. Some people clapped just to be polite. But deep inside, the emperor knew the truth. He had been tricked by his own vanity. The two tailors were never seen again. Some say they ran off to another kingdom, looking for a new emperor who loved clothes even more. And as for the emperor, from that day on he wore clothes with care and listened more closely to honest voices, especially the small ones. Remember, don't be afraid to speak the truth, even when others stay silent. Honesty is powerful. even when it comes from a child. Thank you for watching. See you next time.